Welcome to my channel, Taking Wheels with Pat. Tips and tricks 21, I think. So first little news. I just got accepted by the Facebook group MGZSEV in Australia. It has no relation with the video today because it's about heating and it doesn't affect Australian people. Maybe, I don't know, but it could be interesting. So I'm gonna launch the intro and you have the time to subscribe while I'm launching the intro, and don't forget to share my videos. So intro now. Well, first of all, I'm gonna go through the buttons on the bottom. The first one is this one, is start and stop. So if you push on it, it just stops. You can see that everything turns black or gray, and you have that sign appearing that it just recycles the air inside the car. If you are gonna try, yeah, it works. Just recycle the air inside of the car, but it usually shuts it down. So let's start again. So as you saw, just by turning the wheels here, it will start heating again. So the first is here, the defrost button. If you push this one, it will launch as well the AC, and it will launch the back window defrost, and it will pulse at full power. I'm just gonna turn this one off. You have those two buttons, which are the seat heaters. There is only one function, but I think it's quite regulated in a way that it's not as that cold, and it won't get that warm. And here you can modify the way the air will be pulsed in the car. There is another way you can do, or you can see it, is if you see on the top, you have that in the middle, you have the guy sitting in the chair. In the seat, and you can see, if I push the button, it'll show you that it's only air on the top, and here you can see that it just shows you that it will just get some air on the window, on the windshield. Another push, air right in the face. It shows you arrow right in the face. Now face and knees, shows you face and knees, and just knees or just bottom. And here you have bottom and on the top. That's the one I use because I don't usually like to get air right in my face. What you can see as well, you see the red thermometer, meaning that if I decrease the temperature too cold, just let it come back, you see that the thermometer changes to blue. So if you have plugged in with your Android, you won't see that screen here. Doesn't appear all the time, but you can see just by moving a little bit, it will turn either gray, that means that it's no heating at all and no cooling down. And if you turn it up, you have heat. By -3, I usually put heat at the max, and I put the airflow at the minimum, because the air that will be heated comes from outside. So to heat air that comes at -3 or -6 degrees, it's nearly not possible. So it will be as cold as it was before. So I would recommend, if you live in a cold country, to have the air at the pulse at minimum. So if you have any questions, let me know, and we see you on the next episode. Bye bye.